When I walked in September 2022, started looking at what was already in place. They had a structure, they had a system for capturing PMs and work orders, and it was through a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Everything was hard copy, so they'd have to print those out for the technician, give that to the technician, they'd go out and do the job, and then they would come back and check everything off and sign off on it and then turn it in. And at that time, when they turned those hard copies in, and those hard copies just went into a file.
Before using eMate, we were handed paper copies of PMs and told that they were due.
We just wrote everything down, and it was just on paper somewhere in a file or in a spreadsheet or whatever people did with it.
We had no knowledge of what was coming up to look to in the future.
So there was nothing there really that was, electronic. It was on a computer, and it was through a spreadsheet, but you had all these hard copies to try to go back and look at past history. So when I saw that, I'm like, we need something a little bit more robust than that.
All of our work orders and everything are used through Fluke Mobile eMate setup. We all got an iPad, and everything comes through that, and that's how we track everything now.
It helped having it. It's a lot better than what we had before.
It's just the ease of it. eMate's just a great maintenance platform.
It makes my job easier by organization and knowing what the future holds as far as maintenance.
I would recommend eMate for people that need a system for their PMs and other need maintenance needs.